Welcome back to a new WiseKids quiz. Now, you may have watched the WiseKids themed video topics like Men of the Bible or Women of the Bible. But in today's quiz, it'll have something to do with nature. So, I hope you've read your Bible because this quiz might be a little hard. Oh, and quick question. Have you hit the subscribe and notification button? Good. Okay, now let's get started. Which tree is associated with the Garden of Eden? A, the fig tree, B, the olive tree, C, the tree of life, or D, the cedar tree? Music, please. Answer C, the tree of life. Genesis 2, verse 9 says, "And out of the garden Yahuwah Elohim made every tree grow that is pleasant to the sight and good for food." The tree of life was also in the midst of the garden, and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. In which book of the Bible does Yahushua mention the mustard seed tree? A, Matthew, B, Mark, C, Luke, or D, John? Music, please. C, Luke. Luke 13:19 says, "It is like a mustard seed, which a man took and planted in his garden. It grew and became a tree, and the birds perched in its branches." What type of tree did Zacchaeus climb to see Yahushua? A, sycamore, B, oak, C, palm, or D, cedar? Music, please. Answer A, sycamore. Luke 19, verse 4 says, "So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore fig tree to see him, since Yahushua was coming that way." Which prophet saw a vision of a tree that grew and sheltered birds in its branches? A, Isaiah, B, Ezekiel, C, Jeremiah, or D, Daniel? Can I get some music? Answer B, Ezekiel. Ezekiel 17:23 says, "On the mountain heights of Israel I will plant it. It will produce branches and bear fruit and become a splendid cedar. Birds of every kind will nest in it. They will find shelter in the shade of its branches." Oh my, that was so much fun. I hope we can do this again. So stay tuned for the next WiseKids quiz. Let me know how you did in the comments, and until next time, Shalom!